Zero to Webmaster founder Dr. Kerry Kriger. This is part 6 of the 75 websites that I've reviewed. They're political campaign election websites. State of Nevada 2022. These are real politicians. There were 75 politicians on the ballot. And as a voter, I had to figure out who they were. I had to look up their website. So I learned a lot doing that. I'm sharing the knowledge with you. We're going to look at their websites. Let's get into it. We're on Nevada Clark County Treasurer race. We've got Ken Diaz up against Mitchell Tracy. I've put in the location, what they're running for in their name. Hopefully they'll show up. All right, this right here looks good. It's here because he's obviously currently in the government there. So that's his official government page. Here, home. I don't need to see home in your SEO title. What I want to see is your name, where you are, and what you're running for. Okay, Ken Diaz, CPA. Okay, this is probably the first time I've seen actual, like, whatever it's called, the letters, CPA, PhD, JD, whatever you are after your name. That's cool. Just get rid of the word home. You don't need that there. I'd like to see the location to say Clark County or put Nevada in there. Right here, wasted space. Google gives you 160 characters for SEO description. Fill it up. Say something that makes me want to click through and that makes me think something good about you from the beginning. Let's click through. Meanwhile, let's check out the competition. Mitchell Tracy. All right, 8 News Now, Ballot Ready, NVSOS, Ballotpedia. Mitchell Tracy clearly does not have. Oh, I was wrong. Mitchell Tracy does have a website. It's just way down there. The question is, why is it so far down? Should have shown up higher. Elect Mitchell T. Tracy for Clark County Treasurer 2022. Okay, so that looks pretty good. I'm curious why it showed up so low, but at least it's there. Politics, Republican, Clark County Treasurer. All this is like keyword stuffing. This shouldn't be a place for keyword stuffing. Put the keywords in the text of your website. Right here, write an actual sentence, 160 characters max. That makes me want to click through, and that looks good. This doesn't look good. Let's click through. Let's go back to Ken Diaz, check out the website. All right, this looks relatively professional, but there's no photo of Ken. Let's see if there's a photo of Ken anywhere. Nope, Ken does not have a photo. Is Ken trying to hide something? I'm not sure, but I'd like to see a photo there. Other than that, looks good. It's kind of small text here. Not a lot going on. Home, donate, or contact. What about the issues? All right, here's some about information. Could have been on an about page, but it's fine. You got so much space here to use. Why write so small? Use bigger text. Accomplishments and goals. Social media. All these links look good. This bottom of the page looks good. I'm just curious why there's no issues page or priorities. I don't know anything about you, so that makes it hard to get my vote. Let's see what happens when I click donate. Donations. All right, it just says send a check. All right, better than nothing. Contact page exists. Send me an email. I'd also like to see the email, like, unless you only want it coming through the form. I also like to just have your email address, like Ken Diaz at KenDiaz4office.com. This site was built with, we're using built with extension for Chrome to determine this. It's a Wix website. All right, Wix is kind of like a, generally people who don't know too much about web design, they want their website up fast, it's easy, and not the best website system in the world, but an easy one to use, that's for certain. Let's move on. Mitchell Tracy. All right, rebate checks issued to you every December. All right, maybe that's his promise. Scroll down for the website. Well, I'm on your website. I don't need to scroll down. This image up here doesn't look too good. There's a white slash across it right here. It's kind of, it just doesn't look that good. How about a picture of you? All right, breaking news. Americans First to some Hotmail address. I don't know what that's all about. This looks good right here. If this had been the web page when I landed on it, that would have looked a lot better to me. All right, so here's some. These are not click through. You're not going to click through Americans First, We the People. So this is kind of weird. I don't like the center justification. Left justify it so everything lines up along the left, it'll look cleaner. All right, so there's some experience. Not much on the issues though. Well, there it is right there. All right, so you know, what's he running for? County treasurer. Okay, county treasurer. Do we need to hear your opinions on critical race theory? Probably not for treasurer. Tell me something about what you're going to do as a treasurer. All right, there's a little bit here, but can you write in real paragraphs? Can you write a paragraph? Let's see. Show it to us. All right, endorsements. This section looks kind of cool. This looks good to me. All right, meet my opponent. Okay, meet my socialist opponent. All right, a little bit extreme. Here's all the people you dislike. They don't need to be on your page. Let's hear about you. You got more about them than you've got about you. Click here to donate now 4 times. I'm not going to donate 4 times. It'll take me to Anodot. Let's see if it opens up a new page. It does. Mobile optimized, but not optimized for people who are not on mobile. I'm not on mobile. I don't need to see a super narrow screen. Let's see what this was built with. WordPress. All right. WordPress website. I'll give you plus for that. It was not the best WordPress website I've ever seen, that's for certain. But it's a good start. It's fully extendable. WordPress, you can do anything you see anywhere on the web, it can probably be done on WordPress. I cannot say the same for most of the other well-known website systems, but WordPress, you can do it. Open source. All right, that concludes the run for county treasurer. Let's move on. All right, we're now into the county public administrator race. We've got Tabatha Aldabbagh versus Patsy Brown versus Rita Reid. So let's check out this now. I'm not sure why this came up here, but that's Google withdrawal rate of water public supply. Not sure why that's there, but it's fine. Well, maybe it's there in part because this contestant does not appear to have her own webpage that should have been at the top of the page. Ballotpedia, Ballot Ready, Review Journal, On Your Ballot. All right. Well, she's got a LinkedIn page. She's a realtor. Now time to build her own webpage. She'll have a couple years to do it at least because I know she probably wouldn't have won this race without a webpage. Let's move on. Patsy Brown. Patsy Brown is running. Okay, Ballot Ready. Here it is. Vote Patsy Brown. Vote Patsy Brown home. How about vote Patsy Brown, Nevada, Clark County Public Administrator? You could have put that right here. We don't need the word home. And right here, you know, probably just by chance, this is showing up. You control the SEO description. You come up with 160 characters of well thought out text to put right here. You also control this, the SEO title. Let's click on through. Meanwhile, check out the competitor Rita Reid. All right, Rita Reid, vote Reid. I don't need to see your name twice. How about Rita Reid? How about vote Rita Reid, Clark County, Nevada Public Administrator. And then here's an address, so not too well thought out. Quick links. It's here by chance. Don't leave anything to chance. You control it. All right, we are on the Patsy Brown election website running for public administrator, Clark County, Nevada. First thing I see is that her face is cut off here. Headshot. It's a good shot. Okay, good professional photo. It should be up here above the fold in full view. All this looks good as far as the links look good. Endorsements are right there. I'd probably, if you want them above the fold, move them down a little bit and then have something else here. This is just blue nothingness going on there. All right, so that goes to the donate page. And this goes to PayPal. So really contribute. It's kind of weird. This goes to a donate page and this goes straight to PayPal. Let's go ahead. Let's see what's on the rest of the page, then we'll check that out. Again, these should be left justified. Center justification's kind of weird to read. All right, apolitical figure. What does that mean? All right, I don't know about that title, but it's got some info. My standards are high. I'll continue to fight for change until our vision has been reached. Commonly asked questions. All right, that's interesting. It's not going to help me vote for you, probably, but at least it shows that, you know, oh, so these go out to Google Docs. That's kind of weird. You got all this text that you wrote up. I do like this. This is like an educational website. Okay, you've answered all these questions. It looks like it's your page, though. Really, I'm not sure who wrote that. Yeah, it is. So you wrote up all that. Put it on your website, not on Google Docs. All right, there's a logo right there. It's not up at the top though. Let's go check out what's happening here. Get involved says it's going to take me to a donate page. Show your support, help the cause, vote, donate now. Uh-oh. So it took me to a donate page there. Really hard to find is something about checks. And now we've got donate now. That doesn't do anything right there. Not well done. Let's see what contribute today is. This will take me to PayPal. I don't like PayPal donation system. I don't like PayPal. That's done, period. I don't like PayPal. And I'll tell you why. Because they've got horrible customer service. It's a mega company. Their pages do not look good. The payment system is not user friendly from the administrator side, from the recipient of it all. All right. So better to build your own donation system, especially if you have a WordPress site. You could do it so easily. But this is Wix. I'm sure Wix offers some kind of donation system. Or really, I'm not sure, but they probably do. They're a big company. Something better than that PayPal page. All right, let's check these out. Clark County. Yeah, okay, well, there's a picture of the state. Nothing on that page. Just get rid of that link altogether. Experience. All right, good. I like this. Other than that, it's all trailing off the right side of the page, so it's not well laid out. But there's plenty of info there. I like that. It's clean. Endorsements. All right, I'd rather here, if this is the endorsements page, endorsements should be stated right here, not down here, because I can't see it when I get on the page. I see a flag. All right, this is all about Mayor. This isn't an endorsement. This is like his biography. I'm not sure why that's there. Oh, maybe this is like who Patsy is endorsing these people, perhaps. I'm not sure. So not a well done page because I can't even tell what's going on there. Voters. Vote smart. Not hard. Vote by mail. Okay. Here's info on how to vote. Dates. Save the dates. I just go ahead and put this on the home page. I don't need a whole page. Dates. People aren't going to click that. Put that info on the home page. There, back to the donate page. Here's a gallery. All right, 3 total photos, or it's kind of a slideshow. I just put these photos throughout the site. You don't need to hide them on this page. All right, Legacy. I've never seen that link before. Legacy Prep Program, sponsored by Patsy. All right, that's good. So she's in charge of something. I wouldn't call it that because I don't know what that means. That goes on like an accomplishments page. Contact. How to get in touch, phone number, email address, and form. All right, not the most beautiful page, but that works. Technologically, it's good. All right, let's move on. Reid. No photo there. Picture of a Joshua tree, perhaps, or a yucca. And we've got these diamonds here. Yep, election day was yesterday. I'm recording this. The day after the election, and the timer went out. You know, the timer went out. Can you tell us? It's the day after. Tell us what happened. All right. Did he win? Did he lose? You have a message for everybody. There's no photo of the candidate. I never like that. I don't need to see a darkened out desert photo there. All right. There's your photo. It's a good photo. Put that right up here. Number 1 thing should be your photo. All right. Experience. Okay. Look at this. We've got a little, can't remember what these are called. Tabbed. Okay, we've got tabs we can click on each one. That's fine. It's fine. It looks good, and there's plenty of info there. All right, what is the public administrator? I like that. We haven't seen that before. Like, what do you do? Gallery. Donate information. All right, we will be accepting online donations shortly. All right, well, you should contact someone like me who knows how to build a donation system. Let's see what technology, WordPress. Look at that. You should contact me. I'm Kriger, founder of Zero to Webmaster. I know how to build donation pages. Go check out SaveTheFrogs.com/donate. I built the Save the Frogs website and the donation system there. And let's see, about. All right, another tab here, vertical tabs. It's clean, I like it. Text could be a little bit bigger, a little bit hard to read, but looks good. Issues, priorities, I like that. Hey, look, she clearly took some time and wrote this stuff out. It's not easy writing that much text. That's good. I like that. Events, campaign events. All right, kind of weird setup on it all with the repetitive photos. FAQ. All right, you haven't seen this before. Frequently asked questions, or maybe just once. How can I make a donation? How can I join the campaign effort? This would be a good place to put, like, what is the public administrator? And why should I vote for you? Blog. Jeff German? All right. So, not a very good title for this, assuming that's like a testimonial or something. Oh, okay. So it is an actual blog. I'm not sure if that belongs on the election page, but nothing wrong with it being there. Get in touch. This looks fine. I would put your email address and hey, why not your phone number as well? Here's your email address, so why not put your mailing address too on the contact page? I want all of that. Okay? I don't need to scroll down here to see it. If you have something called contact, that's where I'm going to go. All right, that concludes the race for public administrator. Let's move on. We just have one candidate for Justice of the Supreme Court, CA in Nevada, Linda Bell, 2022. Elect Judge Linda Bell for Nevada Supreme Court. It's perfect. It's an action statement, and it's got your name, what you're running for, where you are, and Judge Linda Bell even applies that you're already a judge. Okay, you're not just like a first timer trying to get this position. Hopefully you would be a judge if you're running for Supreme Court. But let's click on through. Let's click back because this is perfect. Look at this. This is perfect SEO title and it's a perfect SEO description. What's the site all about? It says it right there and it fits in. It's not cut off. It's under 160 characters. Perfect. Based on that, I'm going to guess that you've got a real website developer or you just know your websites. And a real website developer should be using a good system. Let's see what this is. Built with Gravity Forms. It's WordPress. Imagine that. An excellent website, an excellent developer, and it's on WordPress as it should be. WordPress is the best system to use. All right, so congratulations. Everything about this I like. We got a headshot, smiley photo. We've got judge-looking graphic design. Graphic design is excellent. Colors are great. A bit of a logo there. Not many links, but that's fine. They're clean. There's your social media right there. Sign up form. Sign up for updates. Look, I like that. Because usually it's like join the team or something that's not true. You're not joining the team. You're signing up for updates. So it's all perfect. This is all clean. There's some philosophical statements about meet Judge Bell. Plenty of text there. I like that. Probably be good to have some more issues unless it's all clear here. I'd add an issues page. Probably not seeking donations. Well, there's no one else on the ballot, so I'm guessing that you won or will win. Facebook page. News, where did that go? All right, not a lot there. There's endorsements. It should have been on an endorsements page if you got that many, because no one's going to click through news to see your endorsements, but otherwise, excellent website. Congratulations. Good job. All right, I am Zero to Webmaster founder, Dr. Kerry Kriger. I'm in the midst of reviewing 75 political campaign websites. Actually, I already reviewed them. I'm going through them a second time, recording these videos to tell you what's good about the sites, what's bad about the sites, how they can be improved, how you can make an excellent campaign website so that you win your campaign, or that if you're a website developer, that you build excellent campaign sites for your clients. All right, I'll see you on the next round.